we have a lot of updates from H2O.ai University, and I think the first step is actually to start with presenting this internally to you. Next, please. Yeah, so here I have, as always, a sort of a quote that inspires me a lot. And this one, I think you already saw it. It's from Peter Drucker, who is widely considered the father of modern management, and the one who has been focusing not just on profit, but on meaning, responsibility, and long-term impact. So the best way to shape the future is by training those who will create it. And what we are doing at H2O.ai University is training not only the entire community that is interested by our own products, but also our customers, our partners, and we are offering a lot of resources for people who want to understand how to shape their future by using our H2O.ai tools. Next, please. And so I think it's very interesting to take into consideration the fact that if we want to train individuals and they are appreciating of our products, they are going to present later our products to be the ambassadors of our products. And so I'm always thinking at methods through which we can optimize our current processes. Of course, there are many more courses that maybe we need to develop in order to create a much more comprehensive training curriculum, but we are doing our best. Dinu from Sri Lanka and myself, we are like intensively working to make sure that all our customers are happy with our online trainings and certifications. And so for a big update that we have, previously we used for training not only internal but also external Adobe Learning Management System. We decommissioned both of them. They were actually the place where you could find and the customers as well as partners, the certifications as well as courses, but they were very costly. So by decommissioning Adobe LMS internal and external, we reached a saving over $200,000 over the next 3 years. And instead, what we did was to find a very simple and cheap solution where we could centralize quizzes and certifications via a platform that is called Class Marker. This platform is USA compliant with GDPR tools, and here is where we are centralizing all certification activities. So if you go to the next slide, you are going to see that in addition to Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube, the platforms that we are currently using to post our trainings, we also have what I would suggest you to refer as frequently as often, H2O.ai/university website. This has been in place for more than a year now. We are constantly developing it. Sharon's team has been very helpful and proactive. So thank you so much, Sharon and the web team, to develop all the functionalities. It's a work in progress. I have many more ideas to come, but this is the place for everyone, internals, as well as customers, partners, and the community to find out what courses we have and get certified within the same page without getting out of the page, because we took Class Marker and we integrated their API. We also integrated the YouTube playlist in each course page, and now you don't even need to get out of the page in order to complete a 1 hour, 1.5 hour course and then get certified within 15 minutes. Thank you. And so this is what the certificate looks like. In case you already acquired one, this is what it looks like. You need a more than 70% score to actually receive it, and you can receive it directly on the website by just clicking on the download button once you are completing the quiz. Thank you. And so we have currently 15 courses available. Some of them focus on driverless AI, hydrogen torch, Wave app. There is a MLOps and a time series course coming soon. We have a lot of courses on LLM, generative AI, and of course H2O GPT, our current focus. We also have a course on Label Genie, so don't hesitate to check it out. And in case you are working on any of these products, don't hesitate to reach out whenever there is a sort of a update, major update that you want me to create a video of and a big announcement on LinkedIn, on YouTube, or any other websites, because I feel it's important to enrich more and more the courses as we enrich our platform even more, so that our courses don't stay obsolete, because part of what we're doing is not only developing new courses but also making sure they don't become obsolete, and we always update them. So yeah, we are already, like, I'm in close contact with Michelle, who's assisting always with a lot of product updates and stuff like that, but don't hesitate to reach out directly so that I can also get updates as quickly as they are being done. Thank you. Yeah, I think you need to click more. I'm not sure. Yeah, so we have currently three main branches: H2O Predictive AI, Generative AI, and our H2O AI ecosystem. We also have AI agents courses. I'm going to develop a new path out of it. So you have access on this entire website to all of these courses, to learning paths. All you need to do is just go over there and take a look. Thanks. This is a intro we don't hear the sound of, but actually I'll share that on the general channel. We just created a short video that actually illustrates what the updates with respect to quizzes are going to be. Thanks.
Yeah, and I will share the slides, as usual in the engineering.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So currently, this is what it looks like. You have a page with a course, you have the teaser, as well as the authors, as well as the description of the course. And if you go on the next slide, Mikhail, please, you are also going to see an integrated YouTube playlist. This is just an example from Hydrogen Torch. So you have the entire playlist integrated in the website, and just underneath a form that you need to complete, so I know what address to use when sending the certificate, as well as names and all other references. And so this is an integration made with ClassMarker, and this is how I'm able to centralize all quiz takers, because currently we are doing that on so many platforms, including Udemy and Coursera, and they, for data privacy, do not share any information with us. So if there is someone coming back to me asking, hey, did this customer actually take the course via Udemy or Coursera, we cannot do that at all. Whereas if they are sent by you directly on the website, I'm going to be able to track that. Their information stays secure and the GDPR compliant, but I will be able to also access it. And if they lose their certificate, I can definitely reissue it and have like a high level overview of everything happening. And we are already doing that with a lot of our customers from LATAM and Mexico. So thanks a lot to those teams for getting engaged with me. And so, yeah, this process is going to be deployed and rolled out slowly as I'm transitioning all the customers and partners from Adobe LMS external to the new system, which is like free and easy to use without any Okta integration and without support needing to go through all that tedious process to get people onboarded. Thank you. Here, just like a quick update. There are a lot of things happening in EMEA right now, which is great. So thanks to Marius and his team for like being so reactive with respect to everything happening. I get involved in a lot of these initiatives and discussions, among which our Bank of Ireland customer and Al-Futtaim. So just a quick update on this one. If you go on the next slide, you are going to see some other more global enablement events that I am doing. I am assisting Poliana and Jeff Fallon's team to actually engage partners so that they onboard on all our tools, get certified, and then are like more incentivized to talk about the tools we are teaching in our own terms. There is more EMEA support start ongoing right now. We also have some pre-sales discussions, and thanks to Mario's, things are going very well. I also have some marketing initiatives done with Dina, Bruna, and Betty, because I feel like a good product, if it's not broadcasted and if it's not talked about and promoted, it's not going to take off. Let's say Apple, a great product. If we didn't have like that many hundreds of millions worth of dollars campaigns around promotion, it would be just a great product, not going to the market. So I really think here we need more efforts in this direction, and we are like more engaged on LinkedIn, and we get a lot of traction. So it's great. It's starting to become better. Yeah. Thank you. You can skip these slides here. I just wanted to show you a bit of a success in more certificates getting created and issued, class marker being slowly but surely rolled out. And I have a slide that you can go, Mikhail, a bit later on. Over the LinkedIn performance. Here we have like a lot of our posts. Oh, great news that I have, and I'll finish in 2 minutes here. Whenever we make posts about university and training curriculum on LinkedIn, on average, it gets 3 or 4 times more organic impressions than any other LinkedIn posts about H2O.ai activity from H2O.ai on average. So this is a great indicator that the market is there to receive these things. And I think through these trainings and democratizing AI, we are not only doing that for our customers, but actually we are spreading awareness about our mission in democratizing AI. And that's very important. And the last slide. Yeah, here is an overview about a lot of performances that we have. Dinul helped me put together, so thanks, Dinul. We have more than 33,000 enrollments and still counting right now on all our learning platforms. And that's since the launch in 2024. So it's amazing, more than 33,000 enrollments. We have more than 12,000 certifications issues. So Sri, if you hear me, we have reached the plus 10,000 certifications cap. So now we are going towards 100,000. So nothing to promise here, just being very hyper optimistic. And all our videos and trainings on average have a more than 4.5 out of 5 stars instructor rating. So we are really trying our best to make sure people are happy in their learning journey. Thank you.